We did a 2-second lean project here. Alex had a suggestion to make an improvement here to speed up our bit changing on the bloom drill here. We use a lot of different sizes of bits, so we're doing a lot of bit changes. And previously, or the old way was just the bit itself, and going in with Allen key and unscrewing the bit, taking it out, and then putting in a new bit. What we've done to improve that and eliminate waste of time is what's called a quick coupler. And all we do, we've attached a new chuck on here with a quick coupler. All you do is pull up and out, and then I can put in a different size bit if I want. And it's done. So it speeds up the process of changing and bit setup. Yeah. And with the amount of changes and bit sizes that we use, that cuts off a lot of time. And we have them all set up here with the quick change coupler already on there. So they're all set up the right depth, and it's just a matter of popping one in whenever we need it.